Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So this video is a little bit different because we didn't talk during the cooking. So for my other videos, it's like over 10 minutes and even over 20 minutes, and I find out not everybody will watch the whole video. So we're trying to make the video shorter. So in this video, there will be no talking, just cooking. So my husband made the dinner, and please let me know if you like longer videos or if you just want the cooking video, just no talking and cooking video. So we made two videos, this one and the other one. We just want to do this experiment and to see if shorter videos works better than the longer video.